Hello everyone, today we will talk about resistor, capacitor. First is resistor. Resistor is a device which reduces the flow of electron in the circuit. It means it reduces the current in a circuit. Resistor is inversely proportional to current. When the resistance will low, current will high. When resistance will high, the current will low. The resistor is used for controlling the current and reducing the current in a circuit. This is the symbol of resistor. In this circuit diagram, a battery which is rated 5 volt and 1 ampere. Value of resistor is 10 ohm and LED is 0.5 ampere rating. That resistor doing the reduce the current in a circuit. It convert 1 ampere to 0.5 ampere. The current flow positive to negative, that from positive terminal current flow and go through resistor. It reduce the flow of current and give the value of 0.5 ampere current, which is used for or taken in by LED to glow it. When we pass through 1 ampere current or greater than the rating of LED, the LED will blow on. Our next topic is capacitor. Capacitor is a device which stores the electrical energy in it. In capacitor, the electrons will store. The effect of capacitor is known as capacitance. Capacitance is measured in a circuit by the formula C is equal to Q upon V. C stands for capacitance, Q stands for charge, and V stands for voltage. In this circuit diagram, we use capacitor in a circuit. When current flows positive to negative, the LED will glow. During this, the capacitor will storing the current or electrons in it. When we break the circuit, the capacitor LED will glow until the capacitor discharge. When capacitor will discharge, the LED will get off because capacitor is have limited storage of current in it. Now we will talk about the breadboard. What is breadboard? Breadboard is a board on which circuits were designed. Now we will learn how to use breadboard. In the breadboard, the first row is connected horizontally like this, and second row similarly first row is connected horizontally like this. Now the center of the breadboard, only vertical holes are connected with each other like this. Now we will make a circuit on a breadboard. We will take a LED, resistor, battery and jumper wire. Now we will put the LED on breadboard like this. Now we will put the positive terminal of the battery in the second row of the breadboard like this, and negative terminal in the negative port. Now we'll take the resistor and connect it in the positive terminal of LED and positive terminal of battery like this. Now we will take a jumper. We put the jumper in negative terminal of the LED and connected in the negative terminal of the battery. Now our LED will glow like